Hey guys, I'm Sundar, and in today's video we are gonna talk about Fortnite security flaw. Yep, that legendary game with millions of fans has invariably put them all and their personal data at risk. How? Why? And what should you do about it now? Now there's a reason why Google recommends developers to release their apps and games via Play Store. Number 1, Google makes sure the apps are safe. Number 2, Google makes sure the Play Store itself is safe. But Epic Games is the developer of Fortnite. They decided to provide an APK installer through their website. Now, why would they do something like that? Because Google usually takes a 30% cut from every in-app purchase the user makes. Doesn't seem like a lot, does it? Well, it actually is a lot. Given that PUBG has about 50 plus million downloads on the Play Store, Fortnite is expected to be downloaded at least as many times. That means Google will be losing millions of dollars, which they wouldn't had the game been launched on the Play Store. Google is definitely pissed about it. And it is quite evident from the fact that they were the ones to identify the security flaw. So what is that flaw? Let's first take a look at how to download Fortnite. Go to this page. I've left a link to this page in the description below. Choose a compatible device and hit select. Now check your mail, tap get started, and then tap download. Once you install this APK, open the app. This app downloads the Fortnite game directly from Epic Games and installs it on your phone. So where is the flaw here? Well, the fact that the installer APK is on the external storage is a flaw by itself. Any other app on your phone which has write permissions can hijack the request to download the game. I'll explain it in simpler terms. When you hit the download button in this installer, a request to download something from the internet is made. Some apps on your phone can look for this request and intercept it to download something else instead. The installer app wouldn't know what it's downloading. For better understanding, here's a clip released by Google themselves that shows exactly the same. In fact, after the download is over, if you hit launch, it actually even launches the malicious app. The installed app could have access to your camera, microphone, location, SMS, and so on. Super scary, right? What should you do now to get the vulnerability out of your device? There's no issue for those who are downloading the installer now because Epic Games realized this vulnerability and patched it very quickly. Installer versions 2.1 and above don't pose a threat to your device. If you have an older version though, it's safe to just delete it and install a new one. Because the chances of an app on your phone hijacking a request to download a malicious app are very less, but a threat is a threat and it's always better and safer to stay away from it. This is one of the most important reasons why Google wants all their developers to release apps on the Play Store. It's super secure and the users can have peace of mind. What do you think? Is Epic Games' decision to avoid Play Store a blunder? Or should other developers follow their footsteps? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, consider hitting the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more like this. Hit the bell icon as well, it's right next to the subscribe button. It makes sure you get notified each time a new video is up on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sundar, leaving for the moment. Have a nice day.